Hey there, this is Camry back again with some extreme cleaning motivation for you. Let me know in the comments below if you cleaned something or if you just sat back and relaxed while watching this video. I love hearing from ya. Don't forget to show me some love by clicking that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Now let's get cleaning.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. time. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna...
Well, that is all for this one. I want to thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.